I had never had a Cinnabon before till I met AJ. And then we got one. What else did I never had? Kool-Aid.
Okay, wait. Sorry, y'all. Because I feel like she about to say all the fat stuff till she met me. So let's just clear that up.
I was just gonna start naming
No,
stuff.
she actually I started eating more vegetables when she met me. So let's not, because I
was
feel like
I
she's about to
eating
go down a
that
whole list of
good?
fat stuff. I ain't have Cinnabons, Kool-Aid, sugar, lard. What else? That's what I feel like.
I never had Lord.
I'm just saying that's where the route you was about to go.
Well, he's a little defensive because I called him fat a couple minutes ago.
I'm still.
But I'm fat too, so
You're sleeping on the couch tonight.
Who?
I just always wanted to say that. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm AJ.
And I'm Danny.
And you're watching the Cannon Collective, also known as
Cctv.
Alright guys, we're back. Got another mukbang here. Pizza Hut.
I love pizza.
On deck. I have mine. Danielle has hers.
Pizza.
Danielle, tell them what you got, and then I tell them what I got since my pizza is a butt pizza.
I have
Spit it out. It's taking
a
too long.
bacon and pepperoni pizza with butter garlic crust because I'm regular and I don't like adventurous pizza.
Okay. Okay. Anyway, I have just a Pizza Hut pan pizza, which is what she calls it a butt pizza for, because she don't like pan. I don't understand what's wrong with pan.
Pan.
Y'all know pan is where it's at. She got hand tossed because but anyway, yeah, I have pepperoni, chicken, and jalapenos on my pizza. And I have a Parmesan crust. We also have some breadsticks and what these called?
Mini Cinnabons.
Cinnamon butts.
Ew.
Anyway, we ain't gonna do too much more talking right now. I'm hungry, so we're gonna jump right in. Alright, yeah, let's get a thumbnail first. Let me get these fat pieces for it.
Pizza greasy.
It is. Hope my eye ain't messed in the frame. Well, my contact been bothering me all day. I ain't took it out yet because I need to see for this video, but
You're not gonna have an eye in this.
yeah, it's. I hope that I'm gonna have to use a whitening tool.
A whitening tool.
Yeah, you go on the software edit. There you go.
We waited 50 little hours. This is a greasy pizza.
Yours greasy, man. I ain't greasy.
Yeah.
You talking about mine being greasy? Shame on you.
I said mine was greasy from the jump.
Yeah, what was
Oh. I said we waited 50 little hours for this pizza.
Sure did. Kept lying.
Alright.
The girl was like,
Let me get some ranch.
so we got the notification. We got the notification that said pizza was ready. It was ready. Got the notification 4 minutes before it was supposed to. We was already in the parking lot, so we go around to the drive-thru, and she come to the window talking about some. It'll be what she say. It'll be just a minute or something like that.
The restaurant I ordered wasn't done.
Well, then so we waited. It goes past the time it's supposed to be done. She come back and say, "We didn't realize that you ordered cinnamon bun. What's that called?"
Yeah, cinnamon buns, and the person had put in cinnamon sticks. At this point, just give me the sticks, because I'm tired of this church.
So we waited there another extra, whatever, however long.
More than 5 minutes.
Too long. Yeah, man. Pizza For her, it's like hot wings is for me.
I like Italian food anyway. Is this considered Italian? I guess.
Yeah, I
I don't know.
got sauce.
Yeah.
Put a little sauce on it, it's Italian. As long as it's tomato sauce. Yeah, put a little tomato sauce on it, it's Italian. Man,
What?
I thought today wasn't gonna be over. Long day, long day.
The morning for me went by fast. It's about 1 o'clock. Everything slowed down.
I had a tendency to do that.
And I was sad. One. But come on, babe. Let's get this over with.
Weekend went by so quick.
Oh, that was the worst. When I woke up this morning, I said, is it really Monday?
Mm-hmm.
Depression.
Right. We blinked. And I told him we have weekends off together now, so I told her a couple weeks ago, I said, every weekend gonna go by, gonna zoom by.
Mm.
She got 3 days, so
You'll feel like one. If I've been like that Friday, I think I'm just like adjusting.
okay. Friday.
I feel like the Friday out of all the days go by the quickest for me when I'm off. I barely be doing
At least you
anything.
got adjustment days.
Yeah.
An adjustment day. I'm off on Friday. That's about tick. It was a good weekend though. Decent.
Like I barely do anything and the day just goes by.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I still kind of wake up earlier too. Not 5 o'clock, but I'd rather be asleep.
I like our new green screen setup. I mean, all you see is a different backdrop. It's not like you see everything. But we got up. I started late on Friday night and getting it set up. And Danielle said the neighbors were gonna go off on me.
He in here stapling walls. Kill me. People are asleep. It's 2 o'clock.
It wasn't that late. It wasn't that late.
Well, I'd be
It was like
asleep.
12.
I'd be asleep.
Like you care anyway.
What about being loud?
Right. Well, you the loudest thing.
I sure don't. I'm quieter than I used to be when we was at the other one.
Every time we stay in a
I
hotel,
was really vicious at that other one.
every time we stay in a hotel, get a noise complaint.
Every time I stay in a hotel, my best friend would get a noise complaint. Every time.
Cause you loud and ratchet.
I didn't need that other piece.
Well,
I didn't need it.
you got it.
Yeah. But only that one piece was greasy. That's weird.
What they done did to that?
That's right. Done threw it from another.
Somebody ate. They said.
Uh-uh.
They said I made this pizza good. Give me that old piece from. It's been sitting in that grease for a little while, but it'll be alright.
But I'm not him. You want to hear a story, AJ?
About what?
Something that happened to me one day.
I guess I don't like the way you introducing this. But what's up?
So, I knew this girl. Then we went to church together.
Here we go. Another church story, y'all.
It's always church because that's all I ever did. Just go to church. My mother's probably going to get me for this story.
Another church story, y'all.
And I got on Facebook one day,
Mm-hmm.
and I saw my own face with somebody else's name.
Oh, yeah, you told me that.
That's not funny. I told my mama and them, because, you know, my dad is the pastor and my mama's the first lady, and they laughed for hours. Give me some of that.
But you gotta tell them.
It wasn't funny.
You gotta tell them why it was so funny. Cause I laughed when she told me.
Oh, she out in these streets talking to folks. Like,
You don't.
with my face.
So y'all not. She failed to tell y'all.
What
This
am I
is a
missing?
girl that they went to church with. Like this is somebody else that she knows that goes. To
Oh,
church.
yeah. I see her. I used to see her every Sunday.
And she a little
Sunday.
special. That's what. That's what makes it so.
You didn't have to add that. No. See?
Okay. She's not like mentally disabled, but you know how some people are a little like
They
slow.
elevator.
Yeah, it don't like she ain't everything. You know what I'm saying? She's just a little. You know. Everybody know a couple people that just be like, that's just so and so, man. And so, whenever she told me that this girl was had stole her profile picture and plastered the pictures on her, and then was talking to other people, that was funny. This thing.
And they over here sending me messages talking about, Danielle, why you ain't text me back? Are you kidding me? I didn't talk to you. That was not me.
Mm-mm.
That is not my phone number. And my mama and them thought it was funny.
I was spring.
Funniest thing in the world. And the worst thing is that I thought I had changed my own picture. So I just kept scrolling. And then I went back hard. Well, I don't remember doing that. I'm a little ditzy. Like, I don't really remember doing that. So I scrolled back up. And sure enough, Shirley name sitting with my picture.
I would have cried.
I was told to be nice, but I wasn't. I wasn't nice.
That's funny to me.
It really isn't.
Come on here.
I can't reach. I'm not that tall.
Jesus Christ, you done crumpled my paper towel all up before it even got there.
They do the same
It don't
thing.
even wipe the same.
Mm-hmm.
It don't.
It do.
It don't.
Too.
Look at that. Hand still greasy.
It's because you a dirt ball.
You a dirt ball. Talk to me like that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm tired of your disrespect.
Anyway.
Way in it.
Why you got two gray hairs? How full am I? Do I want another piece of pizza or do I want a cinnamon? Decisions.
I think I was just so hungry that all I wanted to eat at first pizza. I don't like.
You didn't even eat the bread.
I'm about to eat bread. See? I mean, that's all pizza is, bread. What you talking about?
I like bread. I always have.
So y'all, we went well, we late, but it was 2 weeks ago now. I think we went and saw the Lion King.
Mm-hmm.
Almost 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
I liked it. I'll tell you what I didn't like though.
What you didn't like?
Be prepared is not something that should be talked out.
Mm-hmm.
That was a disservice to the original Scar. Now, that being said, I ain't like some of these other people that just expects it to be exactly like the cartoon was. And
Right.
I know that it's just two different movies and I can appreciate them separately. But Be Prepared is that song now. Y'all got to put a little bit in.
Mm-hmm.
I believe Jeremy Lyons is still alive.
Shut it.
He could have resung it or something. Y'all gonna have him talk that out, and then he just gonna all be prepared. Like,
no.
no.
We didn't need it.
We need the Be king undisputed, respected. That was that boy. That's the only villain song I really rooted. Like he had me on his side. I was one of the hyenas when I heard that when I was like, heck yeah, boy. Scar had me riled up. I was ready to go. No king, la la la. Yeah, that was me. But yeah. Other than that, I liked the movie. I thought it had a nice feel to it. It was what I expected for the most part. You know, people chiming off, not really happy with so and so and so. I think people just expected too much for it. They wanted it to be just like the cartoon, and it's not. So
What?
yeah.
I think I'm getting to the age where I need to start walking around with tongues. Because I can already feel the indigestion.
Every time we eat, you say this.
I know.
But yeah, you ain't got one single tongue.
I'm going to go get me some. And I'm sad that pizza makes me do that because it's my favorite.
Well,
I'm still going to eat it. Nothing going to stop me.
She talks about me and says that, because, I be burping and stuff, and then,
Because you burp out.
I gotta face the music that we getting older now. She kind of denied that her body does stuff, and now all I do is hear her complain about, I gotta walk around with thumbs and this and that and everything. Hello?
Because I'm tired of this church.
Yeah, so, but you before it was, I don't have these issues and so and so.
I didn't. I just got them a couple months ago.
That's a lie.
It's not.
Well,
You
yeah.
need to go take that contact out.
Is it bad?
Yeah.
Papa.
You need to go. Away.
I'm gonna keep it in. Maybe people won't talk to me.
Well, when you one less eye, then But what was that worth?
People keep talking to me at work. Leave me alone. I'm gonna keep it in.
Let me try one of these. Like I ain't had it before. I think I'm only gonna be able to eat one. It ain't doing right.
Cause what makes you think you can pull?
What?
I heard the Taco Bell ones was slamming. I'm looking at this pizza like, do I dare? But I don't know. I
I went to Taco Bell the other day and they ain't got apple empanada no more. I could have shot that Taco Bell up.
To be honest, I ain't never really been a fan of stuff like that from fast food restaurant anyway.
That one was good.
Simply because, like, I usually end up like those things like that end up being dry in the middle every time I get one. And I just have a hard crusty shell.
No, those are actually really good. I never had a bad one.
Or maybe you just.
But I thank God that I didn't just come to that Taco Bell for apple empanada, because then I really would have shot it up.
For
I wanted to
crusted apple empanada.
Because when you go somewhere, you want what you want.
Ain't not that good.
And if stinking McDonald's don't have your ice cream, you want to blow it up.
Well, at this point, we went
Expensive.
we went there a couple weeks ago and it was late. I already knew. I was already expecting. She gonna talk about.
Because I really wanted it. It just doesn't make any sense, McDonald's.
I already knew.
You always disappointing folk. Always. Remember one day I was riding with my cousin and my friend, and she pulled up to McDonald's because she wanted some sweet tea, and they didn't have it. And she said a few choice words and then drove off. It was so funny. Because it was like, you was real pressed for some sweet tea. Like, you can't go somewhere else. I'm sure they got it somewhere else, girl. And she wanted it from there.
No matter you say a few choice words to them people at McDonald's, they don't care.
No, talking about a go
They
ahead.
used to being cussed out. They get cussed out on the regular.
Go ahead.
That was in they when they spilled out their application.
Can you be
When
cussed
they did
out?
that, right. Are you willing to get cursed out, 10 to 12 times per day? Check yes. That's what. I don't care. McDonald's people don't even. You say they say, thank you for calling, thank you for coming to McDonald's. How may I take your order? And you say, yes, can I have a minute, please? And I don't know, that bothers me.
She's saying nothing.
That
yes,
bothers,
no, kiss your foot.
that bothers me. I'll be like, I'll be talking louder than you. I'll be like, hey, you can say,
I'll be like,
that's fine. Order whenever you're ready. You can say something.
Please, no, stop it. That be me. Oh, good God. Done tore your new shirt up.
It ain't new.
It ain't. I thought you just bought it.
Yeah, it's just a plain black shirt.
With a pocket. In your pocket slouch. Like
Now
that.
I got ranch on my shirt like a fat person.
Like. Anyway.
You know what? I'm done. Mukbang over. You ain't gonna keep disrespecting me.
Oh, God. Oh, you know what?
No, I don't.
Y'all excuse our dryer. Forgot to turn it off.
They dry clothes.
Well,
Y'all dry clothes. Y'all know what dry.
forgot to turn it off.
Hey, that just makes
I had
us
some clothes for tomorrow.
more
for work.
personable. They know we living real lives over
I
here.
am.
You can't wear wet clothes. It don't feel right on your butt. Oh.
That ain't right. So that last time. Look at that. Look at that. That last time it pulled off better. Miss. They are kind of good though. Let me put this in here.
Ain't no real Cinnabon, but
It
it's
ain't, but it's just, you know,
fine.
for what it is. I had never had a Cinnabon before till I met AJ. And then we got one. What else did I never had? Kool-Aid.
Okay, wait. Sorry, y'all. Because I feel like she about to say all the fat stuff till she met me. So let's just clear that up.
I was just going to start naming
No. She actually started eating more vegetables when she met me. So
stuff.
let's not. Because I feel like she's about to go down a whole list of fat stuff. I ain't have Cinnabons, Kool-Aid, sugar, lard. What else? That's what I feel like.
I never had Lord.
I'm just saying, that's where route you was about to go.
Well, he's a little defensive because I called him fat a couple minutes ago.
I'm still.
But I'm fat too, so
You're sleeping on the couch tonight.
Who?
I just always wanted to say that. Even though the woman used to say that, I just always wanted to say, you find yourself on the couch tonight.
Don't care where you sleep. You can sleep right next to me. I'd be hot to you, but guess what? I ain't fitting to miss. No Z's. Not a 1, 2, or a 3. Ain't gonna keep me. Ain't gonna keep me from going to sleep. Jesus.
Oh, hurry up. Look at my shirt. Look at my shirt. Can I green screen that out? Can you green screen that out?
Oh,
Can
no.
you chroma key that out?
I don't
Can you
think
get
so.
that out? That out?
You need to hush. All in my face.
That just made it worse.
But yeah, AJ has opened my eyes to many foods. I'm still kind of picky though.
Yeah, she is. But
Certain
it's a
things
lot
I
better.
don't want, but I'll try them.
I mean, you can't have a plate of white all the time. Everything is always white. You know.
What you mean?
That's how your food is looking. You got the bread, sauce, no vegetables, everything just white. White foods. She like it. If you want to know what ever to get her to eat, just get it. If it's white, it's right.
I like carbs, which you shouldn't like. Like I can eat a plate of noodles and bread and be just fine. Like I don't need meat. I don't need
Like that's
it.
why I said she's like that with pizza, the way I am with wings. But like, see, I am. I like pizza, but I don't want to eat it every day.
I could eat it every day. I have eaten it.
I
every
like
day.
bread, but to a certain extent. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I like meat. Give me chicken, sausage,
I
bacon,
need that.
turkey, steak.
Every time we
a
go
nice-
to this Brazilian buffet grill with all the meat, it makes me so nervous.
I'm in here again.
I'm in here again. It makes me so nervous because it's too much meat, and I don't even really care for meat like that.
Don't get me started on that.
It's just too much, and they keep bringing them, and I'm like, turn the salt shaker over. I can't take it.
Yeah.
Turn it to red. I can't
It's
turn it over.
at least $30 a person. I'll go the way it works. If you ever been to one, you know, you got the little shaker on the thing. It's got a green on one side, red on the other side. You turn it up to green. That means they start bringing all the different meats out. Whenever
Too
they.
many.
And I look at her, and she just like. And we ain't ate now. She just looking at me like, I'm like, what? And I'm just like, and she don't really eat that much ever. But that's up my alley. I like, oh boy, ooh. Give me some nice steak. Give me some boy.
Like, I can eat a lot, but not of that.
I told y'all, wings.
I just started liking them. But I can't eat them as often as he can. Like, if I eat wings 1 week, I probably can go another 2 months. And
I can eat wings a lot, especially if they're made at their house. Like, as far as like fried whole wings at home. Oh yeah, what? Now I don't want no Bojangles chicken every day or no Popeye. All right, guys. I forgot what I was just saying. Our camera cut off.
Something about chicken. You can eat home chicken wings.
Yeah, I can eat home chicken every day.
Yeah.
If it's home fried, I can. Oh, tear it up.
I want some more than we had the other day from the Chinese. That was cool. Without the challenge.
Yeah, that
Just
challenge.
let me eat them.
That challenge will. By this time, y'all, that would have aired before this, so y'all would see it, boy. Yeah, that actually aired today. So yeah. Them wings.
So good. Then we had a Polynesian sauce. I was like, eh. Stop.
Flashback.
That bit.
But anyway, y'all, I got ranch on my shirt.
And it's bothering him.
And I'm full, and my eye is about to fall out, right? It's about to fall.
He act like he don't need it.
So I gotta go take this contact out. We love y'all. We thank you so much for watching us.
Yeah.
Please like this video. You know, thumbs up is always appreciated. Just don't do it like that. And, anyway, thank y'all so much for that. Leave a comment. Let us know what you think. Tell us if you like Danny's hair. And if you don't like Danny's hair.
And you can.
All right. That's it. We love y'all. Good night.
Just kidding. I wasn't kidding.
Go ahead, sign out. You taking too long every time. Just do it.